Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your insurance cards on Allstate. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you need proof of insurance and you want to go ahead and print it out and place it within your car. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into Allstate. Next, we're going to click on Get ID Card, which is located right underneath here. Now on this page here, you should be able to select the vehicle which you want to go ahead and get your insurance cards for by clicking on this drop down menu. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your ID cards from Allstate. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.